Imagine blending your creative talent in UX/UI design with the practical power of artificial intelligence. In our training courses, you dive into the core ideas of AI, learn the ins and outs of generative machine learning and natural language processing, and discover how to weave these technologies into your design process in a way that feels natural. You're already skilled at solving user challenges and crafting intuitive designs, and now you can let AI handle the repetitive tasks that slow you down. Instead of wasting time on endless tutorials, our program gives you a clear roadmap tailored for designers, offering hands-on experience with popular AI design tools and techniques in precise prompt engineering. When you master these concepts, you not only expand your creative toolbox, but also boost your professional standing in a field where AI is steadily becoming indispensable. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. You'll learn to automate tedious processes, analyze user data effectively, and generate design ideas that save you time while elevating your work. This training empowers you to work smarter and push your creative boundaries while keeping control of your projects every step of the way. It's about letting AI support your vision so you can concentrate on delivering exceptional user experiences. Step into a future where technology and creativity work together effortlessly and become the designer who isn't just keeping up, but is at the forefront of innovation. You can find all AI for UX/UI designers training courses on completeaitraining.com.